Let's compare cone-shaped carbide drill bits from different countries. Hello, I'm Anastasia and these are polygel nails on my right hand and it is time to file them off. First carbide bit is from Russia, next one is from Hong Kong. It looks exactly the same actually. And the last one is from Switzerland, the most expensive one. So let's figure out which one's the best. First one is from Russia. We actually do produce lots of different drill bits and let's check the first one. So it feels pretty good. I can't say that it's hard to work with it. It removes the product pretty easy. But honestly, I always have this feeling whenever I take the new drill bit. So all of them have the same abrasive mark, blue, which means medium coarse, and I decided to file off 3 nails with the different drill bits and compare which one can do it faster. And also I would like to compare on how they work. So this one is pretty good, and honestly this shape is not my favorite one for removal. I used to use a corn shaped, but recently I enjoyed them a lot because this narrow part can be used to work near the cuticle or along the sidewalls, and the side of the bead can be used for removing the length, filing off the product from the top, and so on. Actually, I use this shape of the drill bit for filing nails after I create them on dual forms and a lot during infills. So this one is pretty good, so I just wonder how long it will take to file off the entire nail. Almost forgot, I'm working with my left non-dominant hand, so that's why I'm working slower than usual and maybe a bit weird. So we're done here, and the time was 2:44 seconds. Not bad. Let's try the next one. This one is from Hong Kong, and it feels way different. Man, it actually, maybe that's because this is the ring finger or I don't know, something happened, but I feel like it's harder to control my hand with this bead. It actually files a lot at once, and you see I already made the dip near the cuticle. I don't know, it's just harder to control. It's really weird. Well, let's just keep going. Oh, we can already see my natural nail. So we're close, and oh my god, I filed off so much. It hurts. I actually did hurt my natural nail plate. You see this part? Okay, I need to be careful because this is serious. I don't want to hurt myself. Let's just keep going and keep in mind that we need to be careful. Every time I do my nails on my right hand, so when I work with my non-dominant hand, filing, especially with electric nail file, is my least favorite part of the whole service because it's just so not comfortable, especially some particular nails. And now I need to file off the product from the right side, and I have lateral sidewall, so this is how I need to hold them so I can somehow reach to this area. Oh my god, this is hard. Let me guys know how do you file off your nails after hard gel or polygel, well, after any products that cannot be soaked off, because this is quite a torture. I mean, it's pretty fun when you do it with your dominant hand, but with the opposite, oh my god. Okay, so finally I filed off the length, so there is not much left to file. I actually do have some product lifting right there, so unfortunately I need to file off the product from this nail almost completely. Usually I leave a thin layer of the product, but I cannot do this here because we have lifting. So I will simply file around it and then just take it off. So 2.9, not bad. Last one is from Switzerland, and the color is slightly different. It's lighter, and I think this one is more shiny. My first impression is pretty good. I mean, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, but it does file, and I'd like to say cut the product so easily. I mean, I have this feeling like I'm cutting the butter, but before cutting it, I just took the knife and heated it. So it's like hot knife cutting through the butter. So easy. Wow, and it's pretty easy to control. So probably the problems I had with the previous bead were not because of my hand, because it's still the same hand, the same me, right? Well, this one is pretty good. I mean, it's the most expensive one out of all Carbide beads. It's $16. This is the most expensive one actually in this shop. So we're almost done. We can already see the natural nail. It's already pretty thin, and my favorite part is so easy to remove the even parts. I think that's the best thing when you can do it during the removal, because if you accidentally overfile some parts, then we will overfile the natural nail, and if we do it constantly, then it's not good for our nails. Well, I always do all kinds of experiments on my own nails, so I'm used to it, but still, overfiling nails on a regular basis is not nice. Okay, so almost done here. Here is the free edge, goodbye, and a little bit more filing here on the side near the cuticle, and we are done. 145. So the winner is Switzerland, second place Hong Kong, and the last one is Russia, but I definitely didn't like the one from Hong Kong. Anyways, let me guys know what do you think. Which drill bits do you use, from which country and manufacturer? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post nail art tutorials and different overviews just like this one every week. See you in my next video. Bye!